We exist in the universe behind the universe. We explore space as though it's open and obvious, a vast arena waiting to be mapped. But the deeper we look, the more the universe behaves like a structure, with hidden floors, unseen corridors, and rules written in a language we're only beginning to decipher. There are limits to our senses. Our eyes evolved for survival, not truth. We see 3 dimensions because 3 were enough to avoid cliffs and predators. But physics suggests reality may be built from far more than what evolution prepared us for. Extra dimensions are the hidden rooms of reality. Why more dimensions? Gravity is weaker than it should be. Particles behave like vibrating strings. Forces unify only when space has more directions to stretch into. Extra dimensions aren't fantasy. They're a mathematical necessity for the universe to make sense. What might they look like? Some dimensions may be curled so tightly that even light cannot slip inside. Others may be large but inaccessible, like floors of a building we can't reach. Branes, universes as membranes. The brane hypothesis proposes, if space has higher dimensions, our universe may be a membrane, a brane, floating in a larger bulk. Everything we know is confined to this brane, except gravity, which may wander into the bulk like a curious traveler. There are other theories based on colliding universes. Some theories propose that the Big Bang was not the beginning, but the aftermath of 2 branes colliding. The topology of space-time. This perceives space as a shape, not a void. Topology studies the shape space can take. Loops, twists, tunnels, knots. Space-time may be smooth in some regions and wildly folded in others. Space contains wormholes and shortcuts. A wormhole is not science fiction. It's a mathematical possibility born from the geometry of space-time. Space is cosmic knots. Energy can become trapped in twisted fields, forming stable knots that may have existed in the early universe. The universe's architecture. Geometry as a force. The shape of space determines how matter moves, how forces behave, and how time flows. The blueprint beneath physics. Every law of nature may be a shadow of a deeper geometric truth. Here's what we still don't know. We don't know how many dimensions exist. We don't know if branes are real. We don't know the true shape of the universe. But every discovery hints at a cosmos far more intricate than the one we see. The hidden blueprint. We live inside a masterpiece of geometry, a structure woven from dimensions we cannot touch and shapes we cannot see. Yet these hidden forms guide every atom, every star, every moment. The universe is not just expanding, it is unfolding, revealing the architecture that built us. If reality is built from structures we cannot touch or imagine, what might we discover about ourselves when we finally learn to see the architecture beneath existence?